Are you looking for natural cough drops? Worry no more, I brought you the recipe. It's very easy to follow and everything is natural. You can see it came out so well. Will you be trying it out? If you are interested, please sit back and watch the steps that I will show you to make this recipe. This is very easy to make. All you need to do is just only few natural ingredients that you have in your kitchen. So here are the ingredients that I'm gonna be using. Okay, I'm using turmeric, ginger, black pepper, and this is sugarcane sugar. If you want to know how I did this, I'll be posting the link on my description. Yeah, that's natural sugar. So now I'll set it aside and then slice my turmeric and ginger. So I'll be blending this. So I'm slicing them so that it's easier for my blender to blend it. So this, just as I told you, is natural cough drop. So one thing about turmeric stains too much. So I decided to use my stainless blender to blend it. I added little water. It's already blending. So if today is your first time seeing my video, you're highly welcome. Now I'll pour it into my sieve and let the water drain out. So this is very easy recipe and natural cough drop. Easy to make. I'll pour it into my pan and cook it on a low heat. Yes, you have to use low heat. I added my sugarcane cubes. So this sugarcane cubes is also natural. There is no artificial inside. So I have to let it in and let it melt. So as it's melting, it's boiling. So welcome to Glatory. If today is your first time joining me, you're highly welcome. Please remember to subscribe, like my video, love it. Please comment and also share. So you can see everything is already melted. All the block sugarcane is melted and you see it foaming. When it starts foaming, you have to continuously stir it so that it doesn't burn. Now it's ready. So I pour into this cup so that it will be able to pour inside my mold. So here, use any mold of your choice as you want it. So I want little cubes. That's why I'm using this mold. So I will spread it across all the cubes. So you can agree with me that this is very easy recipe. You can do it on your own. You don't need any special machine. You don't need to freeze it. It cakes within 30 minutes. So I'll set it aside and do the second one. So remember, if you have not subscribed, please subscribe. It has nothing, you have nothing to lose. Subscribe, support me on this journey. Subscribe, like my video, comment, and please share. Make sure you share so that others will get to see, okay? And also learn. So I'll set them aside. This is after 30 minutes, you see, already caked. You don't need to freeze it. Everything is ready. So I have to detach it from the mold. See, it came out so well. Will you be trying this recipe? Let me know at the comment section. It looks so good. Natural cough drop. Easy to make. Everything is 100% natural. Thank you for watching, and I hope to see you again on my next video. Bye.